And the idea that there are raindrops like like splashing in your hair, and then some of them will drip through your through the strands of your hair to the face. Kanang idea, it's like really kanang murag like in the movies also, but at the same time you realize that ah gaapod di ay siya makasent makakwan pud siya makapa-char pud siya, makapa-ilad-ilad pud sa self. Nga ayos pud diya siya sa true to life. So uh, and in the movies naa lang siya drama effect, it's a good visual, but diri kay murag siya ikaw ra gyud naka-feel kay wala may nagkuan. Ikaw naman naglad-ilad sa imong self. So kana siya. Ah, uh, the only concern that I have right now is that because we are uh, mm, going to the waterfalls, basin magka like in the news, basin magkakalit na magka-flash flood. So that's one of the real concern as of the moment. So second is ang cellular phone. uh, I was not ready for the ulan. I mean, the phone was not ready for the ulan. Ako, I am beach ready. Ako lang ang beach ready. Pero ang cellular phone, wala siya na andaman. Wala siya na appeal. So, there. And also, oh, my bag. It's okay kung makuha ng bag. Ang important lang man na items that should be kept dry all the time are this cellular phone and the wallet. So wala ang pud kay wala mo koy kayamanan, so wala ra. Oh, there's a shadow effect. Moist. Murag nag-moist inside. That's because this is the camera, and then there's plastic cellophane yang na-wrap around the cell phone. So sige lang, agwanta earths. One of the things that I enjoy as of the moment is that dili pa siya lapok, or yeah, dili pa siya muddy. The path, the earth is one pa, so siya very wet, and then there are small ka ng mga water na nag-form in the middle, but there are portions na medyo muddy na, but at least it's you can still manage. Problematic maguna siya na when you're just starting your journey. When you're just starting your trek, so good pa lang maglisod na ka, so you will have to carry that problem na all the way up sa imong destination. So if for example I remember when we climb a mountain, and then because we have to camp in the mountain for during the trip, we have to sleep 2 nights. So you can imagine the volume of the items that we need to pack in our bag. So the bag is quite big, and there's a lot of stuff, supplies, and sleeping kanang logistics ay materials nga nasa sulod. So it's very heavy and big and bulk, the bags of course. That doesn't include the water and the food that you have to put in it. So the problem is that the bag is already heavy, and then when during the start of the trip, the trek, it'll rain. So if there's rain, naturally you don't have to stop just because there's rain. It will just slow down the trek, and it makes everybody less comfortable with the situation, because you have to be careful with the road, with the trail, and all those things. But I think the most hated part is that when the bag gets wet and some of the items inside the bag gets wet, then all of the luggage will become the luggage becomes heavier than its original weight. So that's only when you're starting the trek pa. So you have to carry that extra weight water up the trail. So diba? And then po siya. Your shoes becomes wet, your socks, usually you have to wear kaning thick na socks because it'll protect your feet from the kanang dili kayo painful sa feet ang long trek. Like there's another instance na overnight ang ulan, and in the morning you have to really put on the basa kayo nga socks, and it was very very cold, the socks. Dagan pagtao dito. You have to put on the socks even if it is very very cold and very very wet. You have to put it on again. So that's the problem with the rain, kaya mabasa imong gamit and bukat imong dala.